Hi everyone, welcome to our music class, and you are watching lesson 2 of Music 6. This is teacher Celeste, your teacher for today. In this lesson, we will be discussing the different dotted notes and rests. So before that, let me present to you a very familiar song. The song is entitled Si Filemon. So come and sing the song with me. Let me play first. Okay, so that's it. So I presented the song for you to have a review on our lesson 1, which is the different notes and rest or the different kinds of notes and rest being used in a song. So, what are the notes and rest used in the song Si Philemon? Let's start first with the notes. First, we have the quarter note. We also have an eighth note. Right beside it is the 16th note. And the song also have a half note. And then right below is a whole note. This time, are there rests being used? Let's try to check. Hmm, there. There is a quarter rest. We also have eighth rest. And it also have a half rest. So those are the notes and rest being used in the song Si Filemon. But this time, I want you to have your attention on this highlighted part. That's it. That is an eighth note, but it has a dot. Actually, the song has a lot of eighth notes with the dots. And then there's also a rest, a half rest with a dot. What does it mean? A note like that with a dot is called a dotted note. A rest with a dot is called a dotted rest. What does it mean if there is a dot in a note or a dot in a rest? So let's have a closer look. The note here is a half note. The value of a half note is 2, but since it has a dot, it has a different value. The dot here takes half of the value of the note before it. So if we have 2 for the half note and then the dot has a value of 1 since 1 is the half of 2 and then we add them up getting the value of 3 for a dotted half note. Rest in the other hand has the same meaning. Dotted rest on the other hand has the same meaning. The dot takes 1/2 of the rest before it. So getting 1 for the quarter rest and then 1/2 for the dot and we add them up so we have 1 and 1/2 for the value of a dotted quarter rest. So we have a table here. Mm, Table for all the dotted notes. So dotted whole note has the value of 6. Since the whole note has the value of 4 and 2 is half of 4, we add them so we get 6. As discussed earlier, dotted half note has 3. 2 and then 1/2 of 2 is 1, getting 3. Dotted quarter note one for the quarter note and one half for the dot. So one and one half. Dotted eighth note. One half for the eighth note and one fourth for the dot, getting three fourths. Dotted 16th note. One eighth for the 16th note and one fourth for the 16th note and one eighth for the dot, getting 3/8. Then we also have the dotted rests. Dotted whole rest has a value of 6. Dotted half rest has a value of 3. Dotted quarter rest has a value of 1 and 1 half. Dotted eighth rest has a value of 3 fourths. And dotted 16th rest has a value of 3/8. So those are the different dotted notes and the different dotted rests and their corresponding values. So this time, I will present a song. So this song, I presented this song actually on the first lesson. So let me play first this song for you. Again. And I will present another one. If you can see the same song, but try to look at here. Here, we have a dotted eighth note, another dotted note, a dotted quarter note. And let's check if there are differences between the two. Same song. And try to check. Let me play first. Okay. So there is no difference between on the tune of these two arrangement because they are on the same place. They have the same placement in the staff, but there's a difference in the counting. Like in the upper arrangement, leron leron sinta, buko ng papaya, dala-dalay buslo, sisidla ng bunga. So I'm using the snap for the rest. On the lower arrangement, leron, leron sinta, buko ng papaya, dala, dalay buslo, sisidla ng bunga. So, there's a slight difference on the counting. And personally, I like the one and the lower arrangement because it emphasizes on the lyrics because leron, leron sinta, while on the upper arrangement, leron, leron, sinta. It's kinda, for me, it's kinda monotone. So for the lower arrangement, it adds more expression or more feelings to the song. So therefore, a composer or an arranger can use a dotted note or a note without the dots in the same arrangement. So to wrap up, our lesson is all about dotted notes and dotted rests. And the value of dot is one half of the note before it or the rest before it. So that ends my lesson for today, and I hope you learn. This is Teacher Celeste saying bye bye.